Samsung Rewards is a point system tied to Samsung accounts where you earn credits through Samsung Pay purchases, promotions, and eligible Samsung services, and those credits can later be redeemed for gift cards, discounts, or Samsung Store benefits, depending on your region. By the end of this, you'll know how Samsung Rewards works in 2026, how to earn points, and exactly how to cash out without getting stuck. Samsung Rewards is built into the Samsung ecosystem. If you use a Samsung phone, you already have access through Samsung Wallet or Samsung Pay in most regions. You don't download a separate Earn Money app. It's integrated. Earning points comes from a few main actions. First, purchases through Samsung Pay or Samsung Wallet. When you pay using Samsung system at supported merchants, you earn points based on eligible transactions. Second, promotions and bonus events. Samsung regularly runs limited-time campaigns where you earn extra points for specific actions like trying features or making qualifying purchases. Third, partner rewards and special offers. These vary by country and are usually shown inside the rewards section of the app. Now, the important part. How cashing out works. Samsung Rewards does not usually give direct PayPal cash. Instead, you redeem points for things like Samsung Store discounts, gift cards, or vouchers depending on what is available in your region. To cash out, you open Samsung Wallet or Samsung Pay, go to the rewards section, and browse available redemption options. You select the reward, confirm, and your points are deducted immediately. The biggest mistake people make is waiting too long before redeeming. Some rewards are limited time offers or have stock limits. That means a high-value redemption option can disappear if you delay. Another key point is regional differences. Two users in different countries can see completely different reward catalogs. That's normal for Samsung Rewards. Availability depends on local partners and promotions. Here's how to get the most value from it. Use Samsung Pay consistently for everyday purchases if your region supports it. Check the Rewards tab weekly for new promotions. And don't ignore smaller redemptions, because they often stack over time instead of waiting for one big payout. Now the summary. Samsung Rewards is legit and built into Samsung devices. It works best as a cashback-style system inside the Samsung ecosystem, not a direct cash-earning app. The key limits are regional availability, reward variety, and lack of direct cash withdrawal. The practical next step is simple. Open Samsung Wallet, check your Rewards tab, and see what redemption options are actually available on your device right now. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and check the next breakdown before you assume all reward apps work the same way.